What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Spotify gift card. To do so, you actually have to do it through the browser, not the Spotify app on your phone. You can also do it on a computer. So let's open the browser, Google Chrome, Safari, whatever browser you are using. And you'll have to go to this link. It's spotify.com/redeem. Okay, hit go. And here you have to sign into your Spotify account or sign up or create a new account if you don't have one. I'll sign in here with my account. Okay, once I'm signed in, it'll give me this page to redeem my code. Here I will scratch the code on the back of the card and make sure you scratch it with a coin, not a sharp object, not to damage the card itself. And enter the code here and check the I'm not robot box here and then click continue and your code is now redeemed.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.